Hello friend, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video making gear unboxing. I'm extremely excited. I bought another camcorder. This one is from eBay. It's from the seller who owned this camera for a while, did his projects and said I don't need it anymore. It's in excellent or like new condition. So let's see how it looks, what is inside of the box, and you can share my excitement, because I tell you what, I'm extremely excited about this piece of gear. I can guarantee you that. We are in this weird setup because my tripod, my Manfrotto professional tripod, is at my shop where I film the cars, and that's why I'm buying this camcorder. I still wonder, oh yeah, how it will be. This is my first time I'm holding this camcorder. Wow, it's pretty fun. It's very light. First impressions, right? It's very light. He added obviously that wind noise protector, right? Seems to be original cap on it with that ridiculous thing. That will be one of the first thing I will try to get rid of. Alright, and so far, looking on the details, I believe it wasn't abused. I don't see any scratches so far, right? Just a normal use of this camcorder. This is fantastic. So, I said I don't need these filters, but he sent me a bunch of filters for it, which will go on the side. There is apparently the original protector of the microphone. Okay, I can put on the side that. Here is the AC adapter, right? This is some kind of, oh yeah, USB, right? USB cable. Oh, carrying shoulder bag, shoulder strap, right? It's another thing. What is in these pockets? Oh yeah, at least something. Solid state memory, right? Apparently he thrown away the original manual. Let's see, anything else? This bag is good, right? Because despite the fact his dog, I believe his dog was scratching it, because I see a dog hair everywhere. This camcorder seems to be in very good condition. So now, not having the tripod, we can finally put the camcorder on the table and see the details. This is the battery, right? It doesn't come with the battery charger. Unfortunately, you charge the battery inside of the camcorder, which is absolutely stupid and ridiculous, but that's the way it is. I guess the Sony was trying to save money on it, right? The battery, this is the standard which comes with it, and I will have to immediately plug it in and start charging it. So I took a little bit of time putting it together, cleaning it, right, wiping it off, because we can see that nasty, disgusting dog hair all over this. I don't like that mouse cover on it, so I removed that. You can see the details, right? It's actually open, now it's closed. Surprisingly, it doesn't matter if it's open or closed, that cover. Different camera, you will be getting already some message somewhere. The logo, Sony logo, is lit, right? This is shining. There's light behind it. That must be on, right? No matter if it will ruin your battery. It has to be on. You have to impress everybody with this one, right? I'm sure you agree. So this is the outside of the camera, right? The first impression is to be very honest with you. It's plasticky, but you know it, right? I knew it, you know it. It's a very, very cheap over-the-shoulder camera. Here's the light. Actually nicely work. I see a difference anytime I put it on. It's nicely work. I removed the diffuser also. I don't want to see it on it. It's a piece of rubbery plastic. It's a junk. Here's that special shoe. You can really connect a lot of extra stuff. What is extremely important, this is a 3-inch monitor, but you can really flip it all the way actually, right? I wasn't sure about it. Nobody really speaks about it. It's really important. This, if you want to use the viewfinder, which is off right now, right? But it goes on when you close that. You can really move it. I mean, all the way this way, right? This is good. There's 2 different zoom speeds. This one is the slow one, fully wide, right? Watch the difference in the zoom, right? In comparison with the zoom which is here on the handle, right? I will use this one. Let me show you the difference, right? It's programmed differently. This one just flies. This is wonderful. So, my friend, thank you for watching this unboxing. And we will keep it as an unboxing only. But I can promise you, I will really look on this camcorder in the detail. I'll make many videos and post it on this channel so you can see what it is about, right? If it's something what you actually might be interested in. So make sure you are subscribed, because those videos are coming very soon. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.